In this video, we're going to show you how to reset your RemoBell S. First, unscrew the security screws. And remove your RemoBell S faceplate. Then, hold the reset button on the body of the device for about 5 seconds. You should see the LED light first turn red and then flash blue. Now, open up the app, press the menu icon in the top left corner, and select Devices. Press the trash icon in the bottom right corner. Select the device you wish to reset, and press Yes to delete your RemoBell S. Press the plus icon on the bottom left corner to add your device. Select RemoBell S and choose your time zone. Enter the network password, then scan the QR code on the RemoBell S or the cover of the Quick Start Guide. Switch to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, leaving the Remo Plus app open. Make sure not to close the app. Connect to the RemoBell S network. You may get a pop-up message that says, "Internet not available," or "Unsecured network." You can ignore this message. Once you're connected to the RemoBell S network, switch back to the Remo Plus app and press Continue. Your app will then complete the registration. This may take up to 3 minutes. Once you see this message, your RemoBell S is ready for use. Now put the faceplate back on. Insert the security screws into the security screw holes, and you're good to go.